This is Mrs. Reister with lesson 5.1, your turn number 4. A TV has an original price of $499. Find the new price after the given percent of change. So for part A, we're looking at a 10% increase. So if you can recall from example 4, the first thing is going to be to express this percent as a decimal, which would be 0.10 or 0.1. And then we're going to multiply that by our original amount, which is $4.99. So 10% of $4.99 is 49.9. And in terms of money, that's $49.90. And now, because it is an increase, we are going to add that to our original amount. So $499 plus $49.90 is $548.90. So that is the new price with a 10% increase. Now we're going to do the same thing, but in this case, it tells us it's a decrease. Our beginning steps are still the same. Take our percent and express it as a decimal, which would be 0.3 or 0.30. Multiply it by the original amount, which comes out to be $149.70. Now in this case, because it is a decrease, we are actually going to take our original amount of $4.99 and we are going to subtract this amount because it is going down or decreasing by this amount. Eight minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. $349.30 is the new price with a 30% decrease. So just a few things to remember here. Once you're given that percent, you're going to express that percent as a decimal because we cannot do actual computation with a percent. We have to use the decimal equivalent. So once you've converted that to a decimal, then you're going to multiply it by the original amount. Those steps are the same whether it's an increase or decrease. The only step that is different is whether you add or subtract, and that comes by tuning into whether it's increasing or decrease. So with an increase, you will add, and with a decrease, you will subtract.